Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. The average daily volume of computer stock in 2011 was the mean population was 34.1 million shares according to a reliable source. Stock analysts believe that the stock volume in 2018 is different from 2011 level. Based on a random sample of 30 days in 2018, he finds the sample mean to be 25.6 million shares and standard deviation for that sample is 14.8. Okay, so you already set up to state the hypothesis, and it's a two-tailed. What you left blank here was the confidence interval. You could do this by hand or with StatCrunch. If you open StatCrunch here, you click on Stat, and then T-stat one sample with a summary. You can just input the information. Sample mean was 25.6 million. Sample standard deviation was 14.8 million, and it was 30. The sample size was 30, and you want a 95% confidence interval. So you click this radio button, 95%. Click down here on compute, and it'll give you these two values, the lower and upper limit. Hope that helps.